Listen, we need to talk about the new hijacking trend happening in South Africa. The numbers are scary, but the patterns are even more important for us to understand so we can stay safe. According to the latest SAPS data, over 4,500 hijackings were reported in just 3 months. That's around 50 incidents a day. And when you include unreported cases from the victims of crime survey, we are actually looking at over 200 hijackings happening every single day. Year on year, the numbers have dropped, but the worrying part is what's happening now, especially in the last days of 2025. Insurance companies like Naked have already noticed an increase in hijacking claims. Here's the biggest change. Hijackings are now happening earlier in the day. Historically, incidents peaked in the evenings, but now the new danger time is around lunchtime, between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., especially on Fridays and Saturdays. Tracker also confirmed a shift in location and timing. Mpumalanga is a new hotspot. Incidents are increasing during the week instead of weekends. Nationally, Thursdays between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. are showing more cases. Vehicle theft is highest on Saturdays between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. and patterns change by province. Gauteng in Tuesdays 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. KZN Wednesdays 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Western Cape Wednesdays 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. So the message is simple. Crime trends are shifting. Hijackings are no longer just a late night weekend thing. They are happening in broad daylight, during busy but non-peak hours when criminals can move quickly. Stay aware of your surroundings and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Our safety comes first. Happy holidays.